Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. All right, I've been talking about the ZIIP Halo all year, and if you've been thinking about getting it, now's the time, as it's currently 20% off for Black Friday, which is honestly the best deal they're going to do all year, and they just updated the ZIIP app with even more treatments. Now, I've been using this little device for about 2 years, and it's really become one of those beauty tools I genuinely can't go without. It's compact, it's powerful, and it delivers visible results. And over the last couple of years, I've really noticed a difference in it helping with my hooded eyes, sculpting my jawline, sculpting my cheekbones, and really helping to even the skin tones. It's compact, it's powerful, and it actually delivers visible results. So if you're not familiar, the ZIIP Halo uses smart electrical currents to target multiple skin concerns, things like firmness, dullness, fine lines, puffiness, literally you name it, it does it. And what's cool about it is it's not a one-size-fits-all device. It's app connected, and you can choose programs in the ZIIP app, which then connects directly to your Halo to meet your skin's changing needs. So whether you're trying to lift, brighten, tone, or all three at once, you're essentially getting a customized electrical facial from home without having to book a treatment, spend time going there, and spend hundreds of dollars every month. Now, I know I've shown you how it works before, and I've done quite a few reviews with all of the benefits, but just in case you missed those, when you're using it, you're going to want to apply your ZIIP gel before syncing to the app so you're ready to follow along with a guided video tutorial. There's quite a few ZIIP gels, but I really like to mix the golden and crystal gels together. The golden gel is all about anti-aging and repair, and then the crystal is brightening and gives that glass skin glow. So together, I really just feel like they're such a perfect combo. Once you've got all of your gels on, be sure to pay attention to areas you might miss, like around your hairline, the back of your ears, maybe around the creases of your nose, because that microcurrent can get a bit strong. But once that's all on, you can open the app. Now, if it's your first time using the app, I would strongly suggest going into plans, because that way you're going to have a schedule, you're going to commit to a plan, and I feel like that's a really good way of creating habits with this. And also, I started with the best skin of your life in 30 days, so a really good amount of time to get into it, to start making it a daily habit, or however many times a week it tells you to do it. Then looking at your before and afters, because it's my before and afters, really made me want to be consistent with this because I saw such a big difference. So choose one in there. There are lots depending on your skincare goals, whether it's your skincare barrier, whether it's breakout fix if you're having a problem with a breakout, glass skin if you've got an event coming up, your non-surgical facelift, I do love that one, skin tone reset and event countdown, which is 7 days. So maybe you've got a wedding to go to, or it's coming up to your birthday or Christmas. Then once you've done those, or you can even go back to these at any time, check out the treatments. Whether you go by skincare goal, you can go by anti-aging, skin health, skin prep, problem skin. I love the collagen boost. That nanocurrent's really, really good for encouraging collagen production. So a lot of the time I'll rotate between treatments. I'll do the 4-minute automatic one that you don't need the app for, you just turn it on. I'll do the 6-minute one, and I'll do the 12-minute one that I showed you that I absolutely love. And then I might do a few targeted treatments throughout the week. Maybe that's for my hooded eyes, maybe that's to really sculpt the jaw and cheekbones if I've got a photo shoot coming up. And I like to finish with the collagen boost. It's just 10 minutes of nanocurrent to really help that collagen production. So much in here, but like I said, play with it, scroll through those and play around. Don't stick to the same thing. To get the most benefits, you really want to try all the different levels of microcurrent and nanocurrent and different combinations and target everything. Don't just keep doing the same thing, and base it around your changing skincare goals. Once you've chosen your treatment, you just press start treatment, press your button on your ZIIP Halo, and you'll hear it beep 3 times when it's synced. You'll get a message up there saying the treatment's successfully synced. And then it's up to you how you do the treatment. When you're first starting out with something new, I would definitely recommend following along. It's a really easy to follow tutorial that guides you through the whole treatment plan, probably until you kind of really have it memorized, because things like the 12-minute treatment, you do need to be aware of the changing microcurrent and nanocurrent because of where you're using it on your face. And then once you have the treatment down, if you don't want to follow along, you can literally either mute her or turn her off completely, because it has synced to your device. It's not synced to your phone, it's synced to your device. So once it's going, it's going. Then once the treatment is done, the ZIIP will beep and turn off. Then you just wash off the gel and apply your regular skincare. So if you've had your eye on the ZIIP Halo for a while and you're only choosing one beauty device during the Black Friday sales, I'd honestly say go for the ZIIP Halo. It's versatile, it's clinically proven, and it covers so many skin concerns in one tool. And it's the one beauty device I've probably been the most consistent with because I've seen the most results with it. And right now, during their Black Friday sale, you can get 20% off ZIIP devices and 30% off gels using my code EVED. Now, the sale runs until the first week of December, so don't miss it because they really don't discount like this any other time of the year. If you want to see more beauty tech reviews or skincare routines, make sure to subscribe and check the links below for everything I used today. And also let me know in the comments what your favorite ZIIP treatment is, or if you're picking one up this sale, and I'll see you in the next one.